One of the things, once you're getting ready to finish your work, what you want to do is put a nice smooth finish on the wood prior to sanding. The smoother you can get it, the less sanding you're going to have. In using the skew for this, you're going to want to use the bottom third of the edge. You want to keep it down into this area. You start with your tool again above, and you want to have this at, I would say, approximately a 45-degree angle to the wood. As you bring it in, you want to run it across so that you're cutting. You can see we're cutting right there, and continue it across. Holding your thumb up against the edge will allow you to guide it at a nice even.